Hi, now we are going to see how to make these two shapes in our tutorial series. This one has an external part and this one has an internal hole. I will turn on the screencast keys, add on, so that you can see here whatever key I am pressing. I will delete this cube and this one. I will add a cube. I will go to edit mode, tab, face select mode. I will select the upper face. I will press I for insert and then move the mouse. I will then extrude on Z axis. Extrude. I just press once, it's fine. Then tab out of edit mode. This is the first shape. I will grab it on Y axis, press H to hide it. I will add another cube, shift A, go into edit mode, select the top face, I again, and then extrude, but this time inside E to extrude, and then move the mouse down, tab out of edit mode, go into object mode, then grab the Y axis. I will press Alt H to unhide the first object. As you can see, we have the two objects here. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial as we continue our series.